Many of us enjoy eating salted biscuits, so let's see how they are made. This production structure for salted biscuits is fully mechanized. Appropriate quantities of the ingredients are placed into these containers for mixing purposes. Water is added through the pipe system and is controlled automatically. Flour, which has been sieved to remove all impurities, is then placed in this machine and mixed with the other ingredients to form a dough. As everything is mechanized, there is more precision and finesse in the product. This machine has been programmed to slice the dough into large chunks. These chunks then travel on this conveyor belt to a laminator machine. As there is no manual handling of the dough, good hygienic conditions prevail. The purpose of the laminator machine is to reduce the thickness of the dough and make it more refined. There is no need for a lot of people to be in this factory, as most of the work is done by machines. The flattened dough keeps on traveling through the rolling machine, where the thickness is adjusted to 3.5 mm for this type of biscuit. Once the dough has reached its required thickness, it is ready to be given its shape. The procedures are not long, and all the processes are done in an orderly way. Different cutters are used to shape different biscuits and place their designs. After cutting, the dough moves towards the oven. The leftover is diverted in this direction on conveyor belts and goes for reprocessing. The shaped biscuits are neatly displayed on the conveyor belt.
For quality control purpose, it is important at this stage to check the weight of the dough and verify the thickness before baking. This is to make sure that the proper baking takes place.
The rest of the dough can now enter the traveling oven for baking. Different cutters are used to shape the dough. Some are squares, others are triangular and circular. The temperature of the oven is automatically set at approximately 200 degrees Celsius by an operator. While the baking is taking place, the biscuits are checked to see if they are being baked in the right way. The color is gradually changing as the shaped dough travels in the oven. Once the baking is over, it is important for the biscuits to cool down. So between 8 to 10 minutes, the biscuits travel on different racks. This is an important procedure as the biscuits cannot be packed while they are still hot. Checking is also an important aspect of the production process. 10 biscuits are removed at random from the rack for quality control. Once the weight, crispness and color are verified, the biscuits are directed towards stackers. They are arranged in a certain order to facilitate packing. They are then collected and placed in crates. No wastage is allowed. Broken biscuits are also collected and packed. They are then sold at a lower price. Some biscuits are packed manually. Small-shaped biscuits are being wrapped, and only those with no defects are chosen for packing. Other types of salted biscuits are arranged in 4 layers of 6 by this machine and packed in units of 24. The biscuits are wrapped with the help of this machine, placed in their respective boxes, and finally sealed. They are then sent to the warehouse. After all formalities are completed, they are loaded into lorries for distribution.